So here's a new feature I'm super happy to share with you. The idea came from our friend Tony in Lunda Construction over in Wisconsin. And that is, when you run inspections, sometimes you need to have inspections that are recurring. They're due every 2 weeks or every month. So now you have the ability in Clue, when you start an inspection, to see what's coming up. You can see here I'm about to start an inspection for this crawler crane, but it tells me in 1 day from now, the monthly boom down inspection is due. And why is that useful? Because look, there are the morning inspections that you want the operators to do every day, but then perhaps once a week or once a month or once a quarter, you need to do a bit of a deeper one. You now have the ability to set it up in Clue. The reminders will pop up. You can control how frequent they are required, when to put in the update, and then when they need to do them. For example, here I can decide, instead of doing the regular morning inspection, I'll tap on the monthly, and I'm going to go ahead and do the monthly inspection, which is a bit more detailed and requires a bit more information. So really cool. Thanks, Tony, for the idea. Hope you enjoy this new feature.